tool is the rejection block. Its logic of operation is absolutely no different from an order block, but the formation of this tool heavily depends on the time frame from which you are observing and the timing of candle openings and closings. Similarly, there is a change in balance between market participants, and whether you are looking at a support or resistance level, an order block, or a rejection block, it is essentially the same concept, but displayed differently depending on the time frame you are viewing on the chart. Let's understand how to identify a rejection block. First, a rejection block consists of two candles, where our area of interest will be the range of the wicks of both candles. It does not matter if there is only one candle with a long wick. This is considered a simple rejection and an indication of volume entering the market. There is a probability that the subsequent candle will just continue the movement. Secondly, it is important for the wick of the candle to sweep liquidity or rebalance inefficiency. However, sometimes a rejection block closes within the area of interest. This is also acceptable and can be used because it does not invalidate the logic of the tool. Let's look at a couple of examples on the chart. This is a rejection block formed on a one-day time frame. If we mark this zone and then switch to the 4-hour time frame, we can observe approximately the same area as the order block. Another example on the one-day time frame, but this time with a bearish rejection block. If we switch to the 4-hour time frame, we again see that it resembles an order block zone. Here the rejection block is on the 1-week time frame. If we switch to a smaller time frame, in our case 1 day, we see the exact same order block zone. Let's make a final conclusion and put an end to the question of inefficiencies. Any inefficiency on the chart represents areas where orders were left unfilled or partially filled by market participants in the context of price movement, regardless of the reason behind it. If you wonder why fractals are not considered inefficiencies, the answer is straightforward. Orders behind fractals are a phenomenon that manifests post facto, not during price delivery.